I'm Harish Manian. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of MGM Healthcare Chennai. So, in the last 10 months, I think the entire industry has gone through a churn, according to me. The entire workflow has changed for hospitals in terms of how the organizations have been functioning across the board, not only in South but across the globe. Every organization has changed the workflow of their own systems in the last 10 months. Now, I think the challenges what we pose together today is to how to get back to the pre-COVID era in terms of our occupancies, our OP numbers and footfalls. People are still skeptical coming to hospitals, but still I think if I see in the last 4 months of from December onwards, the numbers are gradually coming up. The OP numbers have gone up. Our numbers are almost 80% of our pre-COVID numbers as far as outpatient is concerned. Our occupancy has almost reached 60-70% of the pre-COVID numbers. So that's also a good sign. All major surgeries have started to happen. All supra-major surgeries, complex brain tumors, all of them have started happening in the hospitals now. So that's a great sign. One major changes which has to take place post-COVID is to have the transplant work to pick up in a large scale in India, which is still lagging behind, as I feel, because still donations are not happening to the extent which is capable across the globe. Across in India, I mean to say. So there is still some gap which has to be covered up. Hopefully with the vaccination happening at a rampant pace across India, I'm sure that will also catch up across India, and maybe everything will be normal by first quarter of the coming financial year. COVID vaccination across India, everybody has been waiting with bated breath in terms of getting this vaccination done. And as announced by the Prime Minister of India, it's been rolled out across the entire health system as well. As a phase one, as the government has announced, we also comply to the norm. It was only for the healthcare workers. So we finished that course, and now it is applicable to 60 and above and 45 and above with comorbidities actually people. So we are actually complying with the government norms and going ahead and doing whatever is needed. So that's one big jump which is giving confidence to all the patients and the customers across the city in Tamil Nadu to come back to the hospitals as well and get treatment done. So government is doing a fantastic job in terms of covering up a larger population, especially the susceptible subset of patients who should get vaccinated at this stage actually. So at MGM, we started off the vaccination program from when the government announced it, and we were first allowed to do it for our own staff and members who are healthcare workers. Post that, when it opened up for the general public, I think we anticipated a very dull response. But I think to contrary to our expectations, I think people were just flocking this place. We got almost 20,000 people, coming and subscribing for our initiative. In fact, as an organization, we have actually registered a campaign which we started off to support the Government of India initiative as the largest vaccination drive from our side, under which we actually got a lot of people calling us for vaccination. And in the last 2 weeks, ever since we have started the vaccination for general public, we have seen almost 500-600 people being vaccinated on a daily basis in the hospital, which is a good number considering what we thought was it will be just maybe in hundreds people might come. But every day, yesterday we completed almost 900 people vaccinated in the hospital. So that shows the kind of enthusiasm everybody is participating and supporting the cause of stopping this spread of coronavirus actually. Who has thought through this entire concept of delivering healthcare with a difference. And the difference, what we mean is customer service. What we want to deliver is high-end technology-driven healthcare, and we want to give cutting-edge clinical science to be the forefront so that people deserve what they get. This is the only hospital today in India which can do all kinds of solid organ transplant under one roof. It has got probably all the subspecialties and specialties under one roof. This is being envisaged as a facility which can actually deliver some of the best clinical services under one roof. That is actually the purpose with which the hospital and the organization is built. Our objective is at a large scale to become something like a tertiary referral center for the entire India actually. So what we are in some of our programs, what we run at this hospital are of national importance and also at an international repute. So we get referrals, people coming from all across India and abroad and coming and availing the services at this stage. And we are a very young organization. We are just 19 months into operations, and we feel it's been a great journey so far. where people accepting us and really applauding the kind of work which we are putting across, and the kind of recognition we have got in the last 18 to 19 months. So we are really humbled about the beginning what we have done, and we are going to do much more. This is just the beginning of a great journey into the healthcare industry. We definitely want to make difference in the industry by people, by bringing in technology, by bringing in science, by bringing in research, and making sure that there is a impactful difference in the healthcare industry in the coming days. So as an organization, we would like to go scale up this entire organization across the board in the coming years, and there will be a lot to be seen about MGM in the coming days in India and abroad. At MGM, we are very proud about the fact that we, in a smallest possible time frame in the last 18 months, we could make one of the largest heart and lung program, one of the largest mechanical circulatory device program, and also an ECMO program which is 15 beds, which is again one of the biggest programs in India. We also got in last 18 months, we got 50 country patients coming from 50 countries, almost 1,200 patients visiting us. This is a major achievement for us in the last 18 months. We also got accredited by one of the highest standards internationally, that is Joint Commission, and also the highest Indian standards, NABH. We are also one of the only hospitals in Asia which is LEED Platinum certified. So these are some of the achievements which the hospital has done, and we've been very proud about in the recent past, and I think there is many more to come.